chapter 9, we talk about team roles, and our first goal is to select or create relevant roles to proposal, and then we start filling a table. So, and in the table, we're gonna find values like reason why this role is selected, expected experience or qualification for this role. Then if you already have an existing team or have few members in a team who have these experiences or qualifications, drop down the accountable person name and share the related experience and provide a proof like a LinkedIn or previous proposals or anything what can work as a proof. And when you choose a reason, focus on experience that is relevant to your proposal. There are guiding information. I added, for example, LinkedIn job description templates. So if we can, in the exercise, we're gonna go skim through some of the names there. And if we need more details, we can find how the LinkedIn has explained what are the relevant experiences expected from that role. And that could help us increase and speed up the information collection. And yeah, list your team and state what aspect of proposals work each person will undertake. This will help to, if you segue each person activities into more different roles and their experiences, it will be much easier to assess the feasibility of what the team is going to do. And finally, once we have ideated on all the roles, their qualification, expectations, reasons, and we have added some teams, then we do the summarizing, and that summarization can be used also on the top of the proposal, if that still exists there.
Is it only the person's social media handle, let's say LinkedIn, that is going to prove the person's capabilities? Because me, for instance, when you look at my social media handles, I've not really put a lot of things I do there. So if the person says like, this is part of my team and this is his background, blah, 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 and he doesn't put in any social media handle there, does it mean the person, or you still need, what I want to do is, apart from the social media handle, what else proof do you need? Otherwise, it means that everybody should upgrade your social media handle. Is that what we are saying here? I don't know whether I'm clear.
Yeah, for in here, this information is directly from the proposal guide. So provide links to external resources, and it doesn't have to be social link. I think for most of our funded proposals, we didn't even have social links. So, but the proof is nice, like social link, which gives the information that the person is real and contactable. But yeah, if you don't have an email, LinkedIn, any of these stuff, then another thing I have noticed is people use and made the pictures of their qualifications, like when they get some certificate from school. Another proof of experience is actually when one of the person in team has a social media and is like a representative figure, and they write about the team member, what he's going to do, what his skills are, and that for some, this is enough of a proof. And so it's always hard to kind of assess what is the required amount of proof you need. And I think it depends on the problem you're tackling, the funding size, and the overall team structure. First, we selected some roles, brainstormed some roles on the table, and then reasoned why we need this role. After we got like halfway in, we opened up the LinkedIn job description site and browse through different job titles there to see if something is interesting to add. So we did add accounting analyst and copywriter in addition to the existing roles we brainstormed. Once we had a huge list of roles and reasons why we need them, we were ideating on expected experience and qualifications in case we need to change the people who do it, or just setting up the standard or level what will be the expected experience or qualifications in order to have that role. And then we started adding people who are accountable in that position. And luckily, our team or these proposals, we have all the members present who are able to take up these roles. We ideated on related experiences, why do these people fit to these roles, and then we brainstormed on some proof of experience, like how do we prove that we have that experience. And this kind of exercise will give us a huge map of all the feasibility information and a lot of proofs. How do we show that we are the people who can do that proposal perfectly on roadmap? And after that, we slightly went over all the relevant experiences and constructed summarization of our team. And that section may be used in a proposal if that is still there. If you want to see the work at hand in below the video, you will find the link to this Mara board in description.